Alright, hello, how you doing? Right now I'm doing a video on my Trangia that I got today in the mail. And I'm just gonna run it, I'm not gonna do any boil tests or anything. Right now I'm just kinda going through some of the operations, showing the lid. Of course I'm doing this one-handed, so it's a little hard, but now I'm putting a little heat in there, heat fuel, gasoline, antifreeze. And I'm just gonna start it up and run it for a little bit just to see how it works. Now it's lit. I'm gonna turn the lights off. Show you the flame pattern once it develops. It blooms really fast, so I was pretty amazed. Okay, so now I'm just showing you that it has an O-ring in there, not to use it. If you want to snuff it out, you can use the cap with the lid on it. Now I'm starting it back up, showing that it starts right up. No need to go through the process of vaporizing the fuel. And it blooms instantly after I relit it. If you're going to use the cap to snuff it out, you have to remove the O-ring. I suggest just using the other cap with the adjustable top on there, so you can adjust the flame pattern, so you can simmer and stuff. It's a simmer ring basically, which I'll show you in a minute as I go through this process, how it works. I bought this on eBay, on Amazon for about $14. It came really quick. I was pretty happy with it. This is a real Trangia. It's not a knockoff or anything. So I just snuffed it out again, relit it, and now I'm going to show the adjustment. So that's with it about halfway open. Shows how the pattern is a lot lower, so you can use it to simmer sauces or soups or anything like that, or anything you want to warm up slowly. I wasn't too sure how it was going to be taking it off, but I basically blew it out and I removed it, but it wasn't too hot, so I suggest using some type of pliers or whatever attached to the end and just lift the bread off. was just looking to see if there was any type of soot or anything. I noticed a yellow flame, so I don't know if my heat's kind of old or if that's just the way these stoves burn for the first time. Now I've got it partially, pretty much almost all the way closed. And I was assuming that it was going to be a struggle between the flame coming out and the amount of oxygen getting in order to allow it to burn, but it's still burnt, so I blew it out again. To just test and see how hot it was. Really great stove. The brass on there is a lot thicker than the brass light stove that I just got the other day, so it stays warm a lot longer after you've run it. I don't really know how you're supposed to adjust that while it's running. So you must have to snuff it out, take it off if you had it on and you wanted to adjust to a different position or not, but it's kind of stiff to move around. So I don't know if that goes away after a while or... There, I'm showing you the O-ring again. I made a stove similar to this, homemade, that I used. I went to AutoZone and got a one of those old style chrome valve cover oil inlet. It's also a breather, and it's basically the same deal. It looks just like that if you put it upside down. It's just got a smaller hole. Drilled some holes for air. Took out some of the cotton that they had in there to soak up the oil, and maybe I'll do a video on it. It took a little bit of adjusting. It wasn't something that was real easy to develop, but it kept wanting to not run, so I finally got it tweaked out. I think I'm just kind of going over it again. I recorded the audio live, but I had the fan on. It was kind of hard to hear, so that's why I'm doing this again. Towards the end of the video, I was pretty much saying everything I said in the beginning just now. That's pretty much it. Good working stove. I'm going to do a proper boil test on it and see what times I get once I get outside. Alright, talk to you later, bye.